Barbie, today's too boring. I want to go somewhere. Well, we cannot go. Why? Because it's raining. Oh, great. All because it rained. Well, now we can't go. But let's make something, Barbie. I'm too bored. Well, anyway, Mom and Dad come tomorrow. Yay! And you have to be good, Chelsea. I'm always good. Well, not when we go to the airport. That's not true. I always yell, but because I'm excited. Anyway, there's not that much light. Why? Because your grumpy grandma comes here. Hey, don't tell her grumpy. How else do I say to her? Well, pretty grandma. Yeah, right. And don't tell lies, Chelsea. Oh, fine. Yeah, I don't tell lies either. What do you have inside there? No, it's a treasure that I have. Chelsea, just for a little bit. No, anyone can see it, only me. Fine. Here, all my treasures. I hope you're not spying on me, Skipper. No, I even can't see a little bit with your big head. Ooh. All my big treasures. Yes. Oh, yeah. There, all closed. Barbie, what we can do in a rainy day? Well, we can play video games or we can play board games. No, board games you always win. No, I'm not. You always win. Anyway, you always win in Twister. I'm not even articulated. No, but you always win, so I suppose you do. Fine, I suppose. Chelsea, do you have to go to the bathroom because it smells bad? I can't breathe, Chelsea. No, it's my grandma. Your grandma? Your grandma is next door. How could she be? Oh, stop covering your nose. It's Skipper. Me? I haven't gone to the bathroom since 2 days ago. What? Well, you have to go to the bathroom. I mean, to the doctor, No, I'm fine. It was a joke. Oh, Skipper. Told you. It wasn't me, I'm serious. It was Stacy. I wasn't. So it was you, Chelsea. You're the only one who's left. I think here is the biggest sister. Yes, but I don't smell bad. Even I didn't take a shower, but I don't. It's not me. Or I would tell you that I didn't take a shower. Well, you didn't. No, but I do smell good because anyway, I made something smell good. Anyway, I just let 1 day pass. In the morning of tomorrow, I will take a shower. And I don't lie, do I? No, I suppose. Good. Why there is a pink roof in the bathroom, Barbie? If I said your silly grandma put it there, and it's some of her clothes because it's a shirt. Oh my God, I need to call her. Yeah, she's not gonna participate. Yes, she is. Gonna go right now. Chelsea, I'm gonna go, and that's it. Stacy, come to your own room. You're in my room, and I don't have even space there because Skipper doesn't want to share the bed. Skipper, you're not my mom. You cannot tell me anything. Fine. Just here for my tablet, hey? And don't make a mess here. Fine. I'm here, and I brought my tablet. In your tablet, you have contacts? I sure do. My mom and dad gave me permission to have. Wow, I didn't know mom and dad would give you. They did. So who are you gonna? Your grandma or Ryan? No, I'm gonna call my grandma. Ryan is a person that he doesn't even know how to answer. So I better call my grandma. Okay. I hope she answers. Tring, tring. I hope she answers. She's always annoying the phone. Tring, tring. Tring, tring. Hello?
Hi, Chelsea.
Oh, hi, Grandma.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm just reading a book.
Are you sure? Because you're too liar.
No, I'm not, Chelsea. I'm reading.
Fine. Hey, why is the roof in the bathroom? It's too dark there.
Oh, you mean the pink plastic?
Yes, take it off.
Oh, Chelsea, I put it there because I needed to get dry the piece of plastic, so I put it there. I'm going tomorrow to take it off.
No, not tomorrow. Now.
Okay, I'm coming.
Wait, well, bye.
Bye.
Well, I already finished talking with my grandma. Good. What did she say? That it was a plastic. The pink plastic is a plastic, and what? Okay, it's a plastic. That is all. And she said tomorrow, or no, I told her right now to take it off, and I hope she does. Okay. Let's see. Oh, she did take it off. Perfect. See? Yeah. Okay. What we play Twister? Yeah, sure. I like to play that game, even if I lose. I'm just gonna make myself a ponytail, okay? Fine. Okay, so I already made my ponytail, Chelsea. Perfect. Let's begin with Twister. Wait, we still have to put the game of Twister. Am I right? Yes. Skipper, do you wanna play? We're gonna play Twister. You like to play that game? No. I'm too busy. Busy with what? Huh? It's pouring outside. Yeah. Oh, well, busy on my phone? Do you have a boyfriend? No, who told you that? Chelsea told me. I don't, Chelsea. Oh, better run. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow. Stop pulling my hair. Well, stop telling lies. Fine. Barbie, it's ready. That fast? You put it? Yes, I didn't need any help. Look at this. Dun, dun, dun. Wow, Chelsea, I'm surprised. You did put it by your own. And it looks good. But my question is, why do we have a mess in the living room? Okay, Chelsea, let's begin. Yay! Okay, what was that? I don't know. Okay. Hey, wait, I want to play too. I know you would change your mind. Sorry. Okay, but I want to play too. Please? Yeah, you can play. Thanks. Just gonna stand up here. Whoa. Oh. Come on. So you two are gonna compete, and then Skipper and me, and then me and Barbie, and then you know. Okay. So you two, hey, but where's the wheel? Hey, look, the ball is actually the same colors. Why won't we use the ball? Good idea, Chelsea. You close your eyes and you pick a color. Okay. Just close my eyes and pick this one. Oh, I choose the color pink. Oopsies. Okay, so Skipper, left foot and pink. Okay. Let me see. There. Okay, good. Close my eyes again, and I choose this. Oh, okay, I picked blue. Barbie, right hand in blue. Okay, that is easy, I suppose. There, Chelsea. Oh, good. Close my eyes, and I pick this one. And I pick the color. Okay, Skipper. Left hand and the color. What did I choose? Yellow. Oh yeah, yellow. Left hand and the color yellow. Are you serious? Yeah, and you still have to leave your foot there. Oh, great. Perfect, Skipper. I feel silly like this. I mean, it's not a good position, but okay, fine. Okay, I choose a color. This one. Which one? Oh, the blue one. Okay. Barbie. Left foot and the color blue. But I have my hand with the color blue. Oh, no. Then right hand and no. Left foot, no. Right foot and the color blue. Anyway, it's the same. Oh, okay. Like this, Chelsea? Yeah, you are making it good. At least I am made to move, so I can't make anything. Hopefully I were. Oh, Skipper. Okay, now I'm gonna choose, let me see, this one. Blue again. Oh no, I choose Your foot, no, is your left foot and the color green. Oh, great. Now I have to put the other foot. Okay, let me try. Okay, I can't read that good the color yellow, but it's still. And I have my foot here, even though it looks like here, and my foot here. Okay, it's your turn, Barbie. I choose the color, this one. Huh, yellow. Okay, Barbie, so, your right foot is the color yellow. Are you serious? Yes. Oh, okay. Okay, Chelsea, like this? Yeah, you're fine. I'm not fine. Okay, now, I'm gonna choose this one. Oh, the color pink. Great, another color finally. Okay, Skipper. Oh, why did it have to be pink? Because yes. Okay, so your right arm is the color pink. I don't even reach, Chelsea. You have to. Like this, Chelsea? Yeah, I think you make it. Okay, now your turn, Barbie. This one. Oh, color pink again. Okay, Barbie.